ma'am.
I think as teachers, we have to keep our emotions aside for some time because for you, the priority is your child in front of you. वो 6-8 साल का बच्चा जिसके पास आपके सिवा कोई नहीं है is very, very important for you. Keep your emotions aside for some time. Talk to him. And by the time you are in the process of handling the child, you forget your own emotions and you are
No,
there.
true. That is something that some teachers may struggle with. It's quite understandable.
Some may, yes,
Yeah.
all cannot, but we should try. We should try
Oh,
because we
yes.
are
Oh,
sitting
yes.
in that place which is a temple,
Yeah,
where we
true.
cannot leave them alone. You cannot. You have no choice.
Hmm.
I mean, आप चाह के भी नहीं छोड़ सकते because if you leave, it will be on you. It
Oh,
will be
true.
on you.
True.
Shilpa ma'am is saying that noise meter of my
My
own
own
voice.
voice. I completely understand. I can
What
understand
does
this.
what does that
So
mean to
it
you,
means that
Yusra?
if a child is loud, so whenever I have sessions with, a group session with children, it happens where all the children are, talking amongst each other, or they're talking, or they're making some sort of, it's a little chaotic. And then I try to get, the natural instinct is, oh, they're loud, let me be louder. And that is not the immediate reaction that you should be giving, right? You have to embody a
Yeah.
lot of calmness. So if they're talking and then they're not listening to
Yeah.
you, your immediate reaction is to be
Right.
louder,
Right.
which should not
Right.
be the case,
I
right?
get
Another
it.
ma'am, Radhi ma'am is also saying
Radhi
when a
ma'am is
class is
saying
too noisy, yeah.
when the
When a
class is
class
too
is too
noisy and not listening to the teacher, it is very difficult to control him. No doubt.
so true.
I think that is absolutely true.
So
That
true.
happens. Right.
Yeah.
I think the
Yeah.
moment you enter into the classroom, there is
Hmm.
something that's going to trigger you. You're going to
No.
feel intense emotions because these are 40, 50 students,
Yeah.
having their own different stories going on in their mind. And you are coming, even if you're coming with a fresh mind, there's something that you want out of it, right? Okay,
Yes,
let's do
true.
this, let's do that. But it's very
Hmm.
difficult to gather them. So hats off to you all doing this
So
great
true.
job.